Today we're going to be asking the employees of Team One what they drive and why. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive a BMW E46, and because it's fun to drive and comfortable.
What kind of vehicle do you drive
Jeep Wrangler.
and why do you drive that vehicle?
Can go anywhere.
What kind of vehicle do you drive
97 M3
and why?
because it's really slow but super fun.
What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive a real Toyota because they're awesome and they never go in the shop.
It's in here all the time. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive an 04 Mustang GT because loud V8 noises and cheap and reliable.
Solid. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive an E46 2005 BMW, and because that's the driver's preferred chassis.
Best car ever.
Best car ever.
What kind of car do you drive and why?
I drive a 2004 BMW E46 325 Ci, and I drive it because it's the only car I have.
It's awesome. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
350Z Nissan, and because I can't afford a Porsche.
What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive an Acura because it was cheap.
What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I have an 03 Yukon because it's cheap and easy to work on.
There you go. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
Honda. Mainly because it's just a Honda.
Beautiful.
Making my way downtown, walking fast. Faces passing, I'm homebound.
What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
Volkswagen GTR, and I don't know, I like it.
It's cool. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
The fun one or the not fun one?
Both of them.
So daily I drive a Chevy pickup. It's a 2001 2500, and that's to tow my fun car, which is an old E46 BMW that likes to go sideways.
Sideways cars. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I mean, the daily is the Chrysler 300, and because I don't care if it gets messed up. And then my nicer one's probably the F80 M3, just because it's cool.
Swag. What kind of vehicle do you drive and why?
I drive a Volkswagen Jetta because I get 35 miles to the gallon.
What kind of vehicles do you drive and why?
I have a 2010 Prius 4x4.
Lifted.
I'm a BMW guy. I'm a glutton for punishment. BMWs, all of them. I like them all.
Every single one of them, everyone ever made.